The first pram is the most important, and it should have everything you might need. That's the Moov. The first element is the cot bed, lightweight and easy to put in, and also deep and comfortable. With this canopy, even the strongest sunshine won't spoil your walk. This pram will always meet any challenge. It has a 5-way adjustable handle, made of faux leather. Snow, cold weather, this is no longer a problem thanks to the cover. And the rain cover will protect your baby from the rain. There's also a mosquito net. Here I have taken, of course, there's enough space for everything I might need. And the rest can be put away in a stylish bag supplied with the stroller. When your baby grows up, the cot bed can be converted into a pushchair with just a few easy moves, a space-saving situation. The pushchair can be oriented in 2 directions. A giant slalom on the street? With this pushchair, it's a pleasure. Even the highest curb can be easily ridden up or down thanks to the lightweight structure of the pushchair. And the baby won't feel a thing, thanks to the 4 shock absorbers. And large air-pumped wheels. On difficult ground, the front wheels can be easily locked. And braking? The brakes can be locked and released with one easy move. And when your baby falls asleep during the walk, you can adjust the cot bed. And you always know what's going on inside. With the 5-point seat belts, your child will always be safe and stable. Thanks to the lock, the pushchair will never collapse on its own. If you want to fold down the pushchair, a few quick moves and done. Parents often want to be able to move, and the little one wants to be able to be with them. Then, a child car seat will be useful, with an insert for the youngest. The seat can be used both as a cradle and baby carrier. You can attach it to the frame with one quick move, and pop in and out of the car for quick shopping trips.